walk around time for the day, and we got a bunch done. So here we go. First of all, I went over everything that I had weed whacked and blew it with the blower. Doesn't show up probably well on camera, but you know what? It looks pretty good around here. I came over here, raked up some stuff to make the beginnings of a path to the bathroom, leveled out a hump that was right here in the middle, and we'll get rid of a whole bunch of this stuff and get something down there. Nothing exciting over here today, but let's just walk up here. Spent 20 minutes restringing the weed whacker because the string didn't want to go through nicely. So that was cool. Did not get the planters done, but I'm good with that. We got a bunch of other stuff done. So look at this. Oh, gone. Halfway gone. The hellhole is on its way to being usable land. That happens to be a freezer that somebody dumped when the loggers logged. Also, I forgot to stop in the middle because this, let's go there, was a bunch of stuff. Like a bunch. We went through it, moved logs, separated up big bark to burn, moved some of the other stuff into low spots. Awesome. So I can now walk down here. How exciting is this? These. You survived. I don't know how that happened. How did I miss you? And that. You can see it. Whatever. That is done. This looks amazing. Lots of logs. Might use those for garden beds or something or something or something. Still here. Big excitement. I made a trail. First real trail. So this was a deer trail that I just cut. And I hear something in there, which probably are deer. Anyway, it kind of comes down here to nothing, but it's a trail. And they will be all throughout 2 acres. A little shortcut, a little path here. Pop some archery targets in here. That was my big finale. And it was a lot. Got a lot done. Now I'm going to go inside and hook myself up with a grape soda. Will just ran to Payless to get some newspapers to burn some stuff. And we are good for the night. So, there you go.